Okay, now I want to improve the appearance of these. These are supposed to look a bit like seats. Let's look at the EasyJet example here. You can see there are little images there. These are seats, and we've got blue for free, grey for taken, and if I pick one, it goes orange. Okay, let's try that. So, first of all, I need some images, and I prepared some earlier. Let me see if I can find one of the images I made up. I put them on the D drive, I think. Yeah, so I've made up 3 images. Not terribly good. But that one there, that's booked, that's the grey one. And then I've got very similar images. This one here is blue, that's free. It's just basically the same image. And of course mine, this is the one that I booked. So that's the orange color. So I want to put those 3 files onto the server. To transfer these, the easiest way is to use WinSCP. I'll log in, public HTML, airlines, and I'm just going to dump them in the same directory, these 3 files, 1, 2, 3, drag them across, put them in place, and they've shown up there. Splendid. Don't need that anymore. Right, how can I put those seats in? Well, let's go for the, what's it, seats.css. Nope, spelled that wrong, seats, plural. Okay, and you can see I've got 3. I set the background color to lime, which is all very well, but I don't want that. I want the background to be, change word, that's URL, and I called it airline seat minus free.png. I think that was the name. Let me just check. ls ALS for airline seat free.png. Let's try that. There are all the free seats and we can't really see them. Let's inspect that. Free.png. That's looking good. I think it's probably just not big enough. Let's say if it's free, let's change its size. Width is going to be, I think it was about 150 pixels, and the height was also about 150 pixels. Let's write that out and reload. Let's put in pixels explicitly. Okay. Alright, so 150 is too big. Much too big. Okay, let's go for 15 pixels. And reload. It's more like the size, but those images are way too big. Okay, I think we can say background minus size. Now if we say cover, what that'll do is ensure that the whole background is covered. It'll kind of, whichever there is the largest dimension, it'll fix that. Let's write that and reload. Okay, there are my little images. The images are way bigger than they need to be. Those are free seats. Okay, let's do something similar for the other. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm going to take these 2 lines and put them here so I don't have to repeat them. So every TDN will be 15 by 15 pixels, and these ones here, these 2 lines, to yank and paste them there and paste them there. I want to get rid of the background colors. Mine is going to be ALS mine, and booked is going to be booked. Let's try that. Reload. Okay, so I've got taken seats and I've got free seats, and I can turn them. It just doesn't look as nice as the EasyJet one, but it shows the principle at least. So what we did, instead of using background color, we used a background image. There's nothing, these cells are all empty, all they've got is a background color. I fixed their sizes. I fixed the size at 15 pixels. It could be a little bit bigger. Let's go 20. Because I've used size as cover, it should adjust. Okay. Yeah, it still looks horrible. Nevertheless, I've got things going, and I've changed the appearance using the background color. So background URL specifies the URL, and that's a PNG. You can also use an SVG, or you could use a JPEG, but for little images like that, PNG is probably the best. No, well, SVG is the best, but PNG will do. Background size cover ensures that no background should be showing. I could have made these PNGs transparent, and that would have been a good idea. Then I could have had a backup for the background color. Anyway, that's taken care of the images. And in the next thing, we'll look at differential pricing. On the EasyJet site, some seats are more expensive than others, and we're going to deal with that and add that into the total that we're going to charge the user.